Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so what we've seen is we've seen the bulls challenge the 9-day and the 20-day, close over the top of it. They spiked it down last night in this, is there a China deal, not a China deal, nonsense. And now we're making higher highs and heading up to the 3150 area. 3156 quarter was the high from last Tuesday. They need to get up over the top of that. If they can do that, then it opens up 3170, 3180. I mean, it's all there. And what I said last night, and I mean it now, is that absent news that really sticks, it is unlikely that the bears can take this down and follow through. They can take it down for a bit, but just like last night, I mean, that was a rumor and they walked it back and the whole thing. But even on the COVID stuff that we're seeing, you're seeing blips down, that stuff instantly gets covered, and they continue to push to higher highs. Does it last forever? I don't know. And what does it matter? If price is trending to the upside, if dips are getting bought, then, you got to be there. Otherwise, you're fighting price, and that's something that nobody needs to be doing. That's not good for your account. So over 56 is really going to screw up probably the bears' best chance to go down and test all of these moving averages down in the 2940 to 2970 area. You can see they're trying to they were trying to seal this off and head down. They really goosed it here, and if they get up over the top of 60, well, then this is just a higher low. Hourly chart, that was all the China nonsense. You can see the gap down on Sunday was bought. Turned that into support. That was on Monday. And we did finish strong yesterday. And aside from this little anomaly, and then they walked it back. They walked it back at 2 o'clock in the morning. They took it to the hourly mid-band. They took out my runner, which was literally 3101, by a tick, and now it's trading 44. So it is what it is. My suggestion for everybody that trades will find themselves in that situation. You can't go all FOMO. You can't start chasing stuff because you will be the high. You guys got to take a step back, wait. It was a good night. Could have been a great night, but it was a good night, and you let the market kind of come to you. Making decisions first thing in the morning when you find you've been stopped out of something, that's usually not the best time to be making big decisions about your account. So we'll see how it goes today. As we get into the regular session, you've got a lot of key price that's off in the distance. They've run away from VWAP. That's at 3109. They've run away from the hourly mid now. So really the upside is all about 56 quarter. The 5-minute mid band's at 37. Proprietary moving average is 35. But for me, we'll open it up. I want to see if they want to fade it or not. If the answer is no, then you find a risk-responsible place to get in. If they do want to make some lower highs and come back in, then the hourly mid-band's a natural place to retest it this morning and then see what it wants to do from there. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.